Okay, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a different video, but this is different than the cooking videos I always do. Today I'm here to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed, who has stuck by me all these years and supported me in one way or the other. So guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers on my birthday, and that was like literally like the best birthday present I received from you guys, and I just want to say thank you for giving me 1,000 subscribers. And I just want to give out stuff because I'm so grateful for you guys, and I'm thankful for you guys because you guys are literally the real MVPs, and I am so thankful to God for like sending me an amazing YouTube family and people who like push me to do better and send them content and I'm so happy when people send me like messages with like recipes they've tried before and they've tried after watching my videos. Like you guys don't know how much I smile, and I'm always ready to help. Like if you ever need any extra help, hit me on Instagram, slide in the DM, it goes down in the DM. But yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Oh, before we go there, I'm just going to be giving away 4 kitchen items that you can use at home or anytime that you want to use it, I would say. But yeah, this video is not sponsored. Like I bought these things with my money, and I'm just trying to, I feel like I'm moving too much. So this video is not sponsored. I just decided to buy a few things to give you guys, to show appreciation for all what you guys have done to me and for me. And we're growing, the family's growing slowly but surely. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first person who wins is going to have this 16-inch non-stick griddle. So this is how it is. You can make your pancakes, you can make your eggs, you can make your bacon, and you can use it indoor. You don't have to stay in the cold or anything. This is how it is. So if you're the first winner, you get this. Here you go, here. So the second person is gonna have this magic bullet. I hope someone gets it. So the third person is going to have this beautiful waffle maker, and the last person is going to have this Veggie vegetable cutter. Like this is how it is. Like you can cut your cucumbers, you can cut your tomatoes, you can cut your carrots, any veggie, like veg salad, anything. Like I don't want to open it because I'm gonna be mailing it out to people, so I don't want to destroy the box or anything. So the last person is gonna have this. Like these are not small things. This actually like beautiful things that I would want of my YouTube family members to have this. So for you to be able to qualify or to win one of these things, you need to